Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's ChristyRocksXO. In today's video, we are going to be decorating my hot cocoa bar area. I did switch it up a little bit this year. So what we are going to be using are these jars here that I got at Walmart last year. I'm not sure if they have them this year, but you can find cute jars almost anywhere. Also, I'm going to be using these peppermints here, and I did go ahead and start filling some of my jars. So I did go ahead and use these peppermints here, and I'm also using these milk chocolate chips. I just love adding extra little things to my hot cocoa. And here I have these mini marshmallows. So I'm going to go ahead and continue on filling up all of my jars. I'll also be using this hot cocoa mix here. It is so tasty. If you're looking for a really good hot cocoa mix, I would definitely give this one a try. It is in milk chocolate. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill up the rest of my jar. Now that I have all of my jars filled up with all of my yummy condiments, I'm going to simply come over to where I'm going to be creating my hot cocoa bar area, and I'm going to wipe everything down, get it nice and clean. Now I just wanted to quickly mention that in my last hot cocoa bar tutorial, which was last year, I had a Keurig, and this year I opted on taking it out only because my husband and I do not drink coffee like that. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and warm up the milk or the water on the stove. And I also do host Christmas Eve, so I will just get a hot water dispenser. Now here I'm going to be showing you everything that I'll be using for my hot cocoa bar area. So I will be using this sign that says, "Baby, it's cold outside, warm up here," and I did get this at Hobby Lobby last year. Next I'll be using these cone trees here. I absolutely adore these. They are so cute, and I did get these at the 99-cent only store. Just love the little pom-poms on them as well. Also, I'll be using these cups here, and I did get these at Walmart at least 4 to 5 years ago, but you know, I'm sure you have a ton of cute mugs. Here I'll also be using this adorable cake stand with little owl feet. I did get this at Home Goods a few years ago as well. The reason why I like to tell you where I got everything, even if it's been a couple of years or a few years, is because you've asked me to mention where I've got my things. So I want to just go ahead and make that happen. I'll also be using this little container here to hold my straws, and I got that at Hobby Lobby. Yeah. I'll also be using this red plaid tray that came from Hobby Lobby. And last is this adorable hot cocoa bar sign that I did get at Hobby Lobby this year. I just love the way it's supposed to look, like a huge piece of ribbon. I adore that. So now that I showed you all of the products we're going to be using, let's go ahead and let's decorate.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face. And later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all
Isn't my hot cocoa bar just so adorable? I absolutely love the way it looks. I love the way it came out this year. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and also share this video with anyone you think may enjoy this video. I will be having some more Christmas related videos, so go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So until next time, XO till I overdose. Bye!